This is a used 2010 Ford F-150, powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, memory seats, alloy rims, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature control, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico 87507.